Really crispy chips and roasties, what's not to like? If you're looking for a variety of potato that'll give you that beautiful floury high dry matter that's brilliant for crispy chips and roasties, but is also an excellent variety to eat if you like a floury potato, the one I recommend is one called Navan. Navan is an Irish variety. It's a main crop variety, so you plant it at this time of year, it grows through the summer and is ready to harvest in early autumn. It stores exceptionally well through the winter period, and you can use it as a floury potato right through the autumn, winter and spring of next year. But Navan is one of the best varieties for producing those crispy dry matter chips, those really crispy chips and roasties. So now's the time to plant Navan in your garden. Remember, it's a big cropper, it's a real floury potato with a fantastic flavour, but it's brilliant for producing those crispy chips and roasties. Navan potatoes are available now from horkans.ie for home delivery, or you can shop in store. We're here 7 days a week, every Sunday, 12 to 6 p.m. Bye for now.